So we were able to pull the images off. We ran the code to do the detection. Here we see James standing in the bushes. And then one of the bird nests here, a white dot, and the computer detected it, put a circle around it, and the other one right here.
Did you make that bigger?
Yeah. So white dot with the circle around it.
There we go.
So we started off with 165 images, and it selected the top 7, and then I down selected to see that it was the 3 hottest central pixels. So now what we can do is pull the GPS coordinates from the precise copter location and open that in Google Earth. And then we were able to run the GPS coordinates on it and verify the positions, and that's exactly where they are.
Perfect. So the leftmost one is me.
Yep.
And then the other
You
two.
and the 2 bird nests.
2 bird nests. All right.
And you get the image name on it, so you can verify the image
Fantastic.
from which it was pulled from.
Beauty. All right. Thank you, Dan. Distance from the point, given those coordinates, are as such. I will begin the process of walking there now. See that the point, the blue point of where I am, nears the red point of the location of the detection, which is right there. This is our fake bird nest. You see we're on top of that now.